Looking for the best sewing machines to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. This sewing machine is a great option for those on a budget, offering strong performance at an affordable price. It has a motor that is 60% more powerful than standard models, making it easy to sew through tough fabrics like denim, canvas, and even leather, at speeds of up to 1,100 stitches per minute. With 23 built-in stitches, including stretch options and a one-step automatic buttonhole system, it's perfect for everything from home decor projects to making clothes. The stainless steel bed plate helps fabric glide smoothly, and the automatic needle threader and top-loading bobbin makes setup quick and easy. You can adjust the press or foot pressure for different fabrics, whether you're working with lightweight shears or thicker materials, without losing stitch quality. Its compact free arm design also makes it easy to sew cuffs and hems precisely. While it doesn't have digital features, the Singer 4423 is known for its reliable mechanical performance and smooth, vibration-free operation, making it a durable choice. Plus, it comes with a 10-year warranty for extra peace of mind. Number 4. Brother CS7000X. The Brother CS7000X excels as a versatile computerized sewing and quilting machine with intuitive features ideal for both beginners and experienced crafters. Its standout 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and quilting options, offer flexibility for diverse projects, while the upgraded automatic needle threader simplifies setup with consistent reliability. The machine includes a snap-on extension table that expands the workspace for larger quilts or bulky fabrics, a rare inclusion at this level. Users appreciate the LCD screen for easy stitch selection and adjustable speed control, which aids precision when working with delicate materials or complex patterns. The drop-feed mechanism enables free-motion quilting, and the free arm handles cuffs and sleeves effortlessly. Though capable of sewing up to 8 layers of denim, it performs best with medium-weight fabrics, requiring occasional tension adjustments for heavy-duty tasks. 10 presser feet come standard, enhancing functionality for zippers, buttons, and detailed embroidery. While the maximum speed of 750 stitches per minute is slightly slower than previous models, the trade-off benefits accuracy and control. Quiet operation and a clear threading diagram further streamline the experience, making it a practical choice for everyday creativity. Number 3. Bernette B77. The B77 excels with its integrated dual-feed mechanism, delivering professional quality stitches across delicate chiffon, thick denim, and multi-layered quilts effortlessly. Boasting 500 built-in stitches and 17 one-step buttonholes, this machine offers exceptional versatility for garment construction, decorative projects, and intricate quilting patterns. The intuitive 5-inch color touchscreen simplifies navigation while providing real-time stitch adjustments and a built-in sewing consultant for fabric-specific guidance. 8 specialized presser feet, including a walking foot and free-motion quilting attachment, enhance precision for diverse techniques, complemented by a spacious extension table for large projects. Features like the semi-automatic needle threader, programmable foot control, and the lift streamline workflow, minimizing interruptions during creative sessions. Its robust construction ensures consistent stitch formation with minimal puckering, supported by automatic tension adjustments and a thread cutter for clean finishes. Number 2. JUKI TL-2000Qi. This is our runner-up pick and stands out with industrial quality construction and a remarkable 1,500 stitches per minute speed, delivering professional-grade performance for heavy fabrics and multi-layered projects. Its microcomputer-controlled mechanism ensures smooth, precise stitching even at low speeds, while adjustable presser foot pressure adapts seamlessly to varying material thicknesses. The foot-activated thread trimmer and knee lifter streamline workflow, allowing hands-free adjustments during sewing. Bright LED lighting illuminates the expansive 23-inch work area, ideal for quilting large projects or bulky home decor. The automatic needle threader and easy bobbin system reduce setup time, letting users focus on crafting. Though limited to straight stitches, this machine excels in reliability and stitch consistency, earning praise for its near-commercial durability without sacrificing portability. Free-motion quilting becomes intuitive with the drop-feed function, and the needle-up/down feature enhances control for detailed work. Number 1. Janome MC6650. This is the best sewing machine you can get when comparing it on price to performance, and excels as a versatile powerhouse for serious sewists, offering 170 built-in stitches and 2 alphabets to handle everything from garment construction to intricate quilting. Its 10-inch seamless metal flatbed provides ample space for maneuvering large projects, while the superior feed system plus ensures smooth fabric handling across multiple layers without puckering. The machine operates quietly yet delivers professional-grade power, effortlessly sewing through heavy denim or delicate silks with consistent tension control. Practical features like the automatic needle threader, one-push needle plate conversion, and independent bobbin winder streamline workflow, letting users focus on creativity rather than setup. The bright LCD screen and intuitive stitch selection dial make navigation straightforward, and the 1,000 stitches per minute capability balances speed with precision. Though the solid metal construction adds weight for stability during free motion quilting, it remains manageable for dedicated home studios. With thoughtful extras like 6 LED lights eliminating shadows and a memorized needle position function, this machine demonstrates why it's favored for both everyday sewing and ambitious creative endeavors. So that sums up my top 5 sewing machines. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.